The company I would like to talk today is Domino's Pizza Group, which we'll talk about this through the presentation as DPG. This company is trading in the London stock market, and is a company which basically holds the exclusive master franchise rights in the UK and Ireland for developing the Domino's Pizza brand, which I understand I don't need to describe to anybody because it's a very well-known pizza brand, an American brand, which started many years ago and where is the dominant brand in many markets, not only in the US but all throughout Europe. So DPG is or has had this master franchise rights since 1985, when they opened the first store in the UK market, and since then the company has been growing throughout all these years, from the very first store they opened in 1985 to the current network, where the Domino's has around 1,400 stores in the UK and around 13.5 million active customers. So this has been a very progressive and constant growth throughout many years, which has allowed the company to reach a level of revenues of 670 million revenues in 2024 and an EBITDA of around 140 million EBITDA. This company has developed a business model, which I will describe in the following slide, where they don't open the stores themselves, but they look for franchises which will be the ones who will be opening the stores. This means that they have developed a very nice light asset model where the capital needs of the business are extremely low. In addition to the business that they have developed in UK and Ireland, recently in 2024, the company bought a minority stake in another Domino's Pizza business, more precisely in Poland. They bought a 12.1% stake in Domino's Pizza Poland, and I will describe a little bit what was the rationale of that acquisition a bit later on the presentation. This company, as you can see on the slide on the left-hand bottom side, has experienced an extremely significantly high drop in share price in the last couple of years, of more than 50%, and which we believe has created this very interesting opportunity to invest in the company right now. And I will describe a little bit also the reasons why this has happened and why we believe this creates this good opportunity.